Today, we want to tell you about the best private sales by Antigua Ventures. Hey guys, and welcome to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we would like to tell you that this video is not a financial advice and that we are not financial advisors. So before investing any money, please do your own research. That being said, to the video now. Now, in today's video, we are proud to show you one of our latest discoveries, Antigua Ventures. So let's start with a bit of an introduction. Antigua Ventures provides solutions to accelerate marketing, development, and exposure for projects with talent and creativity. Antigua Ventures is a venture capital business that invests in initiatives that enhance technological decentralization. Antigua Ventures invests in industries with significant influence on reality, with a lot of skill and ingenuity, and is constantly interested in projects that work on decentralized systems. Antigua Ventures generates capital to assist bright and experienced teams in materializing and realizing early-stage concepts. Antigua Ventures is a long-term project where you can earn a substantial profit. It is a platform where ideas come to life via inception and materialization on our journey to decentralization. They offer the standard crypto users the rare opportunity to get early access, seed/private sale to good potential projects. So how is Antigua Ventures beneficial for the community? As we all know, almost everything in the cryptocurrency world is decentralized. Every project and exchange is eager to accomplish this, including the play-to-earn games and other similar projects, which all want to decentralize. In decentralization, the organization's operations are distributed or delegated away from a centrally located authoritative group or location. We know how costly it is to get a location on the top of launchpads in the market and how ridiculous the amount of money is needed to be available for investment. It is not easy, and even if you are listed, you'll have to spend much money. Our route to decentralization leads us to a location where ideas come to life via the process of conception and materialization. Here's the aim of Antigua Ventures. Antigua Ventures will only provide you with the best and most honest projects on the market. Antigua Ventures will not just list projects that pay the amount they want, they will list the projects that are beneficial for their customers and investors. They want the world to be much more developed and balanced than it is now, and we cannot accept that the same basic concepts that existed hundreds of years ago are still in place today. They will only choose initiatives that have the potential to transform the world. They're taking the knowledge from the centralized platform and applying it to decentralized security. Antigua Ventures ensures that marketing, development, and visibility will continue to increase. It makes no difference what the underlying necessity is for the endeavor. We provide solutions to our clients. They bring initiatives to top-tier organizations and top-tier launchpads, and they help them succeed. It is critical to understand how a project must impact the market to be successful and achieve the best possible outcomes. Capital is required to develop and operate the project's core and all of its branches. We generate cash to assist creative and experienced teams in bringing early-stage ideas to life and seeing them through to completion. Now we would like to show you up next one of their strongest sides of the project, all of the projects that they have, and we will talk about some of them right now. Partnerships. Antigua Ventures has partnered with several well-known initiatives, including Geopoly, Soul Chicks, Glitter Finance, etc. On their Twitter account, they said that they had formed a collaboration with NREX and that they had signed with NREX Crypto as an incredible partner signing. Additionally, they have many more partnerships with other well-known projects and influencers, which you can see by looking at the company's portfolio on their website. Partnership with Glitter Finance. Glitter Finance presents a platform that enables the redeployment of a part of locked tokens, collateral, on one chain into yield-generating vault on another chain. Glitter Finance generates synthetic replicas of the collateralized tokens on the new chain, increasing capital efficiency and liquidity. Antigua Ventures is happy to be partnering with them. Partnership with Cherry, It is a community of idealists and technologists uniting under the Cherry Decentralized Autonomous Organization to enhance the ability of artists and creators to express their creativity freely. They want to achieve this goal by creating and building on revolutionary technical paradigms like blockchain, decentralized finance, and smart contracts. Antigua Ventures is happy to be partnering with them. Partnership with Defina Finance. Now, there are some big names on this list that just makes me feel so bullish about Antigua Ventures. And that's why we encourage you to join Antigua Ventures Private Capital. In Antigua Ventures Private Capital, they will share details of every transaction with our community. Every offer, seed, or private sale will be disclosed together with its circumstances. The project's essential aspects will be the technology behind it, the partners involved, and the launch pads. There will always be a 12-hour gap between the announcement of the project and the opening of the contribution form on the website. To participate in their channel, you must follow the rules and regulations. The fee of accessing the Antigua Ventures Private One channel is $100, 100 BUSD. Unique payment. There will be no renovation. 2. Every month there will be a guaranteed minimum. 3. Of 10 private sales. 13% of total fee. 4. Web3, security, interoperability, metaverse, layer 1, layer 2, mainnet, and traditional systems integration are some topics we will cover. You can join their private channel by filling out this form. And you can also follow them on Telegram. We'll leave all the links below. We definitely think that such a move for you can be so beneficial as they have broken the market with how little the cost is, and with stronger partnerships and potentially more coming. We only see a bright future for this prospect. You guys can bet you'll see me in there. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, then please be sure to give this video a big like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. It's free of cost and it actually helps us a ton. Let us know in the comments down below which videos would you guys like to see next, and we will do all that we can in order to make it happen. We will see you all on our next videos, and until then, thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day.